The rifle used in this video is the Drill America DA 1903. Get yours today at glendale.com or drilldojo.com.
Hey drillers, my name is Jeup, and in this video, we're going to do the style guide tutorial for the left-hand continuous. So the left-hand continuous actually has a lot of variants for style, right? I think a lot of them are explored, but it's very underutilized. In a lot of routines, people end up traveling from one place to the other, just walking a left-hand continuous. And that's because it has a little bit of a rhythm to it, right? So when you're thinking about the style to it, step, 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 right? Every two is a good step, unless you want to rush pace it, right? Pop, 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 right? And then you can like rush toward a judge, right? So there's a rhythm to it with the feet and the rifle, right? Now, while you're doing it, right, there's a lot of stuff that happens, right? So anytime your right hand is free to handpin, it's also free to do anything else, okay? So you can point at judges, you can say I'm number one, you could flex with it, right? But I think one of the coolest ones is that you can make extra beats with it. If you're getting really good at this and you just stick your hand out, right, every time it taps, it's going to make extra beats with it, right? So if you're trying to be a really good rhythm driller, this is one of those perfect percussion tricks. Makes clean sound and it has a lot of opportunity for what to use that sound for, right? Now, one other component of style for this trick is how to stop it, right? You're going to find that there are 1,000 ways to stop the rifle, and I want you to really think and explore about how you're going to do that, right? You saw in the intro of the video, you can just hit your leg, right? It's a good way to stop it. You're going to bruise your leg, but it's cool, right? So if you learn how to do that really well, you could brace your muscles the right way. It doesn't hurt as much. It's also a good opportunity to learn like open hand, like variants of like how to stop this. You could do single finger, right? And add some effect to it. You can do full hand through, right? Stop it with like the inside of your wrist. If you learn how this trick operates and you like kind of get that sense of, okay, hits my hand, punch, right? You're gonna be able to get some really, really cool stuff out of this. And that's what I want you to play with. So instead of me giving all the style away on this one, play with what's happening while the left-hand continuous is going on and how you're going to stop it. Those are your opportunities for style. What I don't want to see is looking straight at the rifle, bending into it, bad hand pin, and then you just stop it, right? There's so much opportunity for expression in this trick, and I really, really want you to use it. That's it for the style guide. My name is Jeup. Happy drilling.